Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout to never using Caffeine app on Motorola Moto G52. Let's go. Okay guys, so we click Play Store and then we look for app called Caffeine app, but we just need to write Caffeine like this. Okay. Okay, it's this one. Yes, it's this one. Then you install it. Let's wait for it to install and I will be right back. Okay, as you can see, it is installed. Let's open it. Okay, then we go to Timeout Infinite. It need to be, you click Infinite and it's Infinite. Okay, then what you do is you go here, you press this pen here, then you look for this app called Caffeine app. We need to find it. Oh, it is here. You then go up with it. Okay, device control. And why did I did that is because when I swipe down, I have it here, then I turn it on, and now the screen will never time out. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day and goodbye.